Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add a background image in publisher document in only one page. So let's started. At first, open your publisher document. In this video, I will show add background image in publisher only one page. Now you can see. Then you show the mini page. Now you select from third page. Now you can see. Now going to the page design menu option, then click from background option. Now select from more background. Now you can see, then we show the new interface. Now from mob, now select from picture or text field. Now select from, now you can see, now select from file menu option, then click. Now you can see, now we find your picture. Now you can see, then show the new interface in the picture. Now select from any picture. Now select for insert option. Now click for OK. That it's. Now you can see only one page in add background image in publisher document. Is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for